Hi everyone, welcome to Febscapes. In this tutorial, we will look how we can install an Active Directory role in our Windows server. So we are making our server a domain controller. For that, we need to first actually give a static IP address for our server machine. So right click and choose Open Network and Internet Settings. Then click on the Ethernet button here. Then choose Change Adapter Options. Here we need to right click the Ethernet, then choose Properties, and in the IPv4 version, that is Internet Protocol version 4, double click, then click on here, that is use the following IP address. Here we have to give the IP address we need to assign to our server machine. I am giving it as 10.0.2.15 and the subnet mask is given here, and we have to give a default gateway. So a default gateway is something like the IP address of your router or a firewall. So here we have to give the preferred DNS server. If you are installing the DNS server role in your server machine, then we can give the same IP address as that of the one we have assigned here. It is 10.0.2.15 and click on the OK button. Then choose OK button. Now we are just changing the name of the computer, that is the server machine, to a more readable form, that is by clicking on change settings, and here again click on the change button. Here we can give the new name for the computer. So I am giving it as domain PC, then click on OK button. For applying the changes, we have to restart the machine, so we can click on the OK button, then close the option and click on the restart now button for restarting the server. Now we can verify that the computer name has been changed accordingly by right clicking this PC, choose properties, yeah, the computer name has been updated to domain PC. So for installing the Active Directory role into the server machine, we have to first open the server manager. For that, click on the start button and open up the server manager. Yeah, for installing the Active Directory role, click on Manage and choose Add Roles and Features. Now click on the Next button, click Next again. Here we have to choose the server, that is our only server that is having is the domain PC. Then click Next button. Here we have to choose Active Directory domain services and click on add features. Click next button. Click next button again and click on install. So the installation process for Active Directory has been started. Yeah, we have successfully installed Active Directory domain services in the server. So we can click on the close button. Now we have to promote this server as a domain controller. For that, click on the notifications button and click on the promote this server to a domain controller button here. So we have to click on add a new forest option. I am giving the root domain name as webscapes.local and click on next button. Here we have to enter the password and click on the next button. Then click on the next button. Then click on the next button again. Here we can see the locations for database, log files and sysvol. We can keep the default location as is and click on the next button. This is a summary of what we have configured in our domain machine. After verifying all the values, click next button. Then click on install button. Yeah, now we can see that it's asking for the administrator password which we have configured while installing the Active Directory server role, and the domain is webscapes. So we can give the password and log into the machine. So we can verify that the Active Directory server role has been installed successfully by opening the server manager. Click on Tools, and we can see that the Active Directory service has been installed successfully in our server. If you guys find this video useful, please support us by subscribing to our channel and giving a like to our video. Thank you.